Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and you may see little Brooklyn down here. She's come to sit with me. She usually gets into a lot of mischief. She's my Yorkie, but hopefully she'll behave during this video. We shall see. But I'm going to be talking a little bit about Scentbox. And I also subscribe to Scentbird. I'm also going to be doing a little bit of a giveaway in this video, so stick around if you're interested in that. And I also will be polling for a winner of a book that I had up for grabs, so stick around for that as well if you're interested. All right, so Scentbox, first I got a piece of hair or something. First I'd like to say thank you to whoever used my link for Scentbox. I did get a free perfume sent to me. And of course I was able to pick out what I wanted. Now, if you are interested in Scentbox, you can use my link in my description box and you will get a free scent, and so will I. So if you do use it, I thank you in advance. It was great when someone used my link. I'm like, wow, you know, a lot of people get Scentbox, and so I didn't expect someone to actually use my link, but thank you very, very much to the person that did. And I also get Scentbird, and Scentbird is right here. They do have these little cases for Scentbird, but you only get one case and you get it at the beginning of your subscription, and then they just send you the vials after that. You can order cases if you wanted to on their website, but on Scentbox you get one every month. Okay, but I'm going to tell you, I've so far gotten 3 scents, and one of them I did send back to Scentbox because I didn't like the scent, and so I'm waiting for an exchange on that one. This second one here is by Kate Spade, New York, but we'll go ahead with the scents in on that one in a minute. I'm going to talk about what I'm going to be giving away. So let me find it. This is the one I'm going to be giving away because I have this one pulled up on the website. Now, Scentbox.com is very hard to navigate for me on my iPad. I don't know why. It's a nightmare. I had already tried to do this video before, right before this, and it was just, I couldn't pull up the scents. I couldn't navigate the website. So I've got this one pulled up. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the giveaway. This is Honey by Marc Jacobs, and I do not like the scent. That doesn't mean that you won't, but it says here the description of it is Honey by Marc Jacobs is a floral fruity fragrance. This is a new fragrance. Let me go ahead and bring this over so I'm not like looking that way. It says Honey was launched in 2013. Honey was created by Annie somebody and Anne somebody, it doesn't matter. Top notes are pear, mandarin orange, and punch. Middle notes are honeysuckle, orange blossom, and peach. Base notes are honey, vanilla, and woodsy notes. Okay, so I thought Honey was going to be fruity. I really like fruity scents and not floral. But to me, this is floral. I don't know, to me, on me. It doesn't mean that it's gonna smell the same on you. And that is the truth, because apparently everyone's got different body chemistry and perfumes smell differently on different people. And so I am going to be giving this one away. It's gonna come in its own little box like this. And you can send perfume in the mail. If you don't know, you just have to let the USPS, the United States Postal Service, know that it is perfume in the box. It does not cost any extra, but you do have to claim it. You have to say what it is. I think because it doesn't fly or something, it goes ground. I'm not really sure. I'm not a postal worker. But you do have to tell them if you are mailing perfume. So there's that. All right. So the next one that I got here is And I'm gonna pull it up using this awful website. I don't know why I cannot navigate the website on Scentbox on my iPad, and I only use my iPad. I don't have a computer, so it's really irritating. Scentbird, on the other hand, I love their website. It's very nice to look at. It's very easy to find things. Not this one. All right, so this one is called Kate Spade New York. And does it have like an actual, no, it's just called Kate Spade New York. There's no like different, you know, it's not like Kate Spade and then it's got a different name. It's just called Kate Spade New York. And this one, it says, let me bring the iPad over here again. It says, experience the charm of New York City with this new fragrance by Kate Spade. It's a fun, joyful, and feminine fragrance that embodies the Kate Spade woman. This fruity, floral scent captures you with hints of wild strawberries and rose essence, then dries down with woodsy and sensual notes. I put it on, of ambrox and cashmeran. I don't know, I'm probably saying both of those words wrong. The perfect scent for a woman who is spontaneous, humorous, and very optimistic, whatever. But I really do like the Kate Spade New York. I love this one. Well, not love. Okay, I like it. I like this one. It's not one of my favorite scents, but I will be holding on to that one because I can see myself wearing that one. This one, on the other hand, I can't see myself using it at all. So let me go ahead and talk a little bit about Scentbird. And so I'm going to leave the link to Scentbird and Scentbox in my description box. I have a referral links for both. And see, now that I started this video before and I'm doing it over, I don't remember if I said somebody use my link. Thank you very much. And if you do use my link, I would greatly appreciate it. You get a free scent, so do I. That is for Scentbox. Scentbird, I believe, is the same way, so I will leave both of the links in my description box. I like them both, actually. Scentbird, I think I like a little better because I can pick more scents without getting an upgrade. Like Scentbox, there's certain ones you just can't get without an upgrade, but Scentbird, you can get so many, and they're both around the same price, by the way, both of them, every month. I have Scentbird on a once every 3 month subscription now, and I have Scentbox. I'm getting this every month. I might switch that around though, because I'm having more luck with Scentbird. But anyway, this one is, what is this one called? Judith Ripka, Diamond Dreams. Let me see. I'm making sure I'm not flashing my address like an idiot. Not that I haven't done that before. Yeah, this one's nice. Diamond Dreams. It's kind of fruity. I'm just letting you guys know in case you wanted to try to get, use my links and get a free perfume. You can use my link and you'll know that Diamond Dreams by Judith Ripka, I would recommend. The other one from Scentbox, the Kate Spade, I would recommend. This one is by Michael Germain. Sugarful Kiss is what this one's called. Let me see if I can find something else to spray. Nope, can't. Okay, I'm back. That was really quick, but yeah, the UPS man came, so, you know, that's always fun. Then the dogs bark, but, you know, I always get something good. This time it wasn't for me, I have to admit. It was my husband's medication. Shucks. That's okay. All right, so this one, again, is Sugarful Kiss. I can't smell it because I'm smelling the other stuff. Sugarful Kiss, again. Okay, it is good. It's not one of my favorites, but that one is good as well, so I'll be holding on to that one. I got a lot of scents right now from Scentbird because I've been subscribed to them for a while. So I'm not going to go through every one of them, obviously, but I kind of wanted to show you a little bit of both of them. So Scentbox, if you want to win this one, whatever it was, because I don't remember, and I'm not going back because this website's a nightmare. Honey, is that what it was called? I don't remember. Whatever it is. If you want to win this, please put the word, let's just make it very, very easy, the word honey in a sentence down below in the comments. You have to be subscribed to me. I don't usually check, but I mean, come on, please. Please subscribe to me. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, and you have to live in the United States. That's a for sure thing. I don't ship outside of the United States. And use the word in a sentence down below. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway, nor does Scentbox or Scentbird for that matter. And anything else, all of the, yeah, I'm not going to replace this. If it gets lost, stolen, or broken in the mail, I'm not going to go buy another one and ship it out to you. That's not happening. So I haven't ever had that happen, but you know, it's perfume. So I will definitely wrap it and do what I, you know, just, I've mailed perfume before, and I'm pretty sure that winner got it in one piece. So I'm thinking it all went well. I'm going to be drawing a name for the book, The Perfect Couple. But first, I do want to say, after I take a drink of Pepsi, by the way, I've changed from Mountain Dew to Pepsi. I don't know why. I've been majorly addicted to Mountain Dew since my college years, way back, you know, way, we're talking 25 years ago, right? Let's see, I'm 55 now. I started college not until I was about 25. So it's been over 25 years. But, yeah, I didn't start college till I was 25. I didn't start right out of high school. But that's neither here nor there. I want to say first, I did a video of some part of my Colorado trip to Estes Park. And it's about the elk. And about the elk, it is kind of like a little story if you watch the whole thing. It's only 4 minutes long about. But what happened was we were looking on the left-hand side at the elk that were just like down a little slope. There was like 5 or 6 of them. And then all of a sudden we all look over this way, and there's elk coming down like a hill, and they walk right in front of me. Like I could touch them. And I have it on camera. I have it on video. The problem is they left the baby up on the hill. And you can hear, if you listen to it with, you know, if you actually listen to the video and not just watch it, you can hear them calling the baby. And you can hear the baby calling back. And at the very end of the video, the baby does end up crossing the road. So he comes down the hill, crosses the road. Not in front of me. He does it, you know, but I do have it on video. But you guys, you know, watch that if you want to. It's fascinating. I was so lucky to be there in that moment to catch that on camera. It was just, I mean, just to hear the mom cry for her baby. It was, oh my gosh. Anyway, let me go ahead and draw the name for The Perfect Couple. Again, be subscribed to me. I think everyone in here that wanted to win this book is subscribed to me, because I recognize everyone's name. And what else? I will go ahead and get this mailed out just as soon as I can. Today is Wednesday. I'll try to get this book out by Friday. However, it might not. So, but I'll try. If you get back to me before like Friday afternoon, I should be able to get this book out to you. I will give you until Friday before I go to bed to get back to me. Otherwise, I will draw a new winner. I feel like I have a piece of hair. My face is awful shiny today. It's from the moisturizer. I'm using like this gel moisturizer instead of a cream. And it seems to give a lot of hydration, but it makes my face shiny. I'm like looking, you know, at myself in there. Sorry, I'm supposed to be looking at the camera. Oh well. Okay, let's see who won. Amy, you won. You haven't won from me in a long time, Amy. But I just saw, Amy, I think you won on somebody else's channel too. Barbara Nelson, I think that's her name. I think you won on her channel something like last week or this week. I don't remember. But I remember seeing your name being pulled up. But anyway, you won on my channel now. You won the perfect couple. And so get back to me before I go to bed on Friday. And let's see, my email and my Instagram are both in my description box. So you can go ahead and use either one. I need your, well, I know it's Amy Weber, right? But I'll need your full name and your address, okay? All right, everyone. Thank you so much. I still have another book to pull for. Oh, I never did give you an end date for when I'm going to be pulling for Scentbox. Let's see. Now, I will be pulling a name for Scentbox in any random video I so choose, because that's how I do things. Oh, here's my calendar. I can just use this, would be easier. After the date of, I'd say August 11th, I'm gonna keep this open until August 11th, but it will actually still be open until I draw a name of a winner. So this will be, I'm going to write it down, Scentbox winner. So anytime after the 11th in a random video, I will pull a winner for the Scentbox. Make sense? I hope so. If you've been with me a while, you kind of know how I do my giveaways. All right. So thank you all so much. Please like, please subscribe, and please comment down below. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.